What is going on, guys? It's another awesome day here at my house. Today I gotta take out my 3 big rattlesnakes, which is my 2 Mexican West Coast rattlesnakes and my Western Diamondback rattlesnake. They decided to use the bathroom a little bit. I'm gonna take them out, talk about them, mix up their bedding, and also answer some questions because a lot of people have been asking me some questions about them. So I'm gonna take them out now and yeah, put them in a garbage can and then clean up their cage a little bit because it's a little messy. Definitely want to clean it up. Let's take a look. So there's a big little pile of poop right there. All the snakes are all hunkered down. And there's a dead gecko. Well, that's sad. I don't know how he got in here or why he's in here, but he's dead. So, all right. Anyway, now my female Western, always ready to attack, but that's a normal Western trait. But I'm going to be opening this up with a hook. I don't know if you saw that, but she did strike out. There she is. What's wrong, little girl? You're okay. Come here. Wait. Where are you going? Okay, so she, yeah, went to the other side with the other one, so gotta get her out now. Now all 3 of them are over there. Look at those snakes. Look at those snakes. I need you to back up just a little bit for me. There you go. There you go. Now it looks like my female is in shed. That's always a good thing. Shedding that skin, gonna get a nice new coat soon. Alright, all 3 are in there. You can't really see, but they're all in there. I'm gonna put the lid on that. Not something you want to technically stick your hand in. Now, we gotta get the cleaning because this cage is a little dirty. I also have a lock for the cage. I'm gonna be putting that on there today as well, and also putting the labels on here. So, we're gonna get started on that. Okay, so now it's all clean. I put fresh new mulch in there. Now, the mulch that I use is eucalyptus mulch only because it has a natural pesticide in it. Now it's not very strong, but it will help keep the bugs out. And it also looks nice. It looks natural. There's no dye in this mulch. Nothing wrong with it. Cleans up rather well. It holds moisture rather well if you really want it to. So it looks good. Smells good. Feels good on the snakes. It actually helps them with their shedding. I don't need to put something in there for them to rub up on because they will just rub their face on the side of the ground to be able to start the shedding process. So it helps with that as well. So now that I got the cage nice and clean, I'm going to clean the glass up. I got some new handles for it as well, and I got to put a lock on it. And then after that, put the labels on it because, as you guys know, all the cages here in Florida need to be labeled with what's in the cage as well. So we're going to take care of that really quick, and then yeah, put them back in. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now, a lot of people ask me what cages I do use. The gray cages that you see all around me are Vision cages. It is a company that is here in the US, and they make these cages out of plastic. They are great for keeping venomous. They're a little pricey. If you have the money, you want to spend money on the good snake enclosure, by all means. You can get a Vision cage for your non-venomous if you really want. They come in many different sizes. I mean, they come tall, they come long, deep, whatever you want. I will put their website in the link, or a link to the website in the description below, so you guys can check them out if you would like to. You don't really need to. I particularly find all of mine on OfferUp. Because a lot of people do have these cages, but again, they're worth a lot of money. So they do like to sell them and get rid of them. So I usually find them on OfferUp whenever they get posted. Now as for the glass, sometimes the glass you cannot find on there, or they don't have the glass, so I always get mine cut, and I get the really strong glass so that if the snake does strike it, it cannot break. But the cages are great. As you guys know, they have spots for heat lights so that the snakes can have a nice basking spot. Now the lights that I have in them are different. I do those myself. One of the very first videos I did post on YouTube about reptiles was me setting up the lights in the cage. So now normally they do come with these handles on them. I actually like to take those off and put these handles on them because they're a lot bigger. As you guys can see here, the snake hook can actually grab it, and your fingers can grab it a little bit better than this one because this one's a lot shallower. So I do use these. I will actually cut that off with a razor blade. This piece of glass I just got cut, so that one doesn't have one on it. So I'm going to put one of these bad boys on there, and then I'll cut that one off and put the other one on there as well. All right, so got that one on there. Now this is also the first piece of glass here that I need to put a new lock on. As you guys know, my locks, I do also order these special order showcase locks, TDK 7s, but they all have the same key. Now, it's really helpful when every single snake cage in your room has the same key, so you're not constantly switching keys. Now, I've actually gone to a couple facilities and told them about these locks, and they did order them, so now they also all have the same key because it's really a pain in the butt to get a different key for each cage. So really happy I had these. I'm going to install this now. Be right back. All right, there you go. It's installed, nice and new. It actually sticks with 3M adhesive on the back. Now normally this piece here hangs over, but I take a pair of pliers and just bend it over that so the glass can close completely. Now I do need to put a sticker on this glass door. Now this is the one that gets danger venomous reptiles. Simple with a label maker. Bing bang boom. Stick that on there, and then I got to get to the other one. All right, so all done. New handle on that one. Western Diamondback rattlesnake, Mexican West Coast rattlesnakes, both with their scientific name. For the Western, it's Crotalus atrox. For the Mexican West Coast, it's Crotalus bisculatus. Now, hopefully, all goes well for the next part. But we got to put them back in here. Their cage is nice, done, and clean. I do have this glass door open a little bit right there. So now the fun part of actually taking them out. Hello, babies. Alright, so the question is, who am I going to get out first? Probably try my big, beautiful male. There he is right there. Now, I absolutely love this snake. This snake was given to me because apparently it was super aggressive, but I have yet to have a problem with this snake right here. This was given to me by Tyler Nolan. Absolutely love this beautiful male Mexican West Coast rattlesnake. Such an awesome snake. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him back in his cage. No, you gotta go back in your cage, Bubba. Just like that. Now, they are a heavy-bodied snake. Don't particularly like to use snake hooks on heavy-bodied snakes, just for the fact that you can hurt them. But there you go. One down, two more to go. Let's see. I'll grab the other Basiliscus because she's on top, which is the Mexican West Coast rattlesnake. Now, she is also in shed right now, so her vision isn't the best. She's also very grayish, almost in color, and that is only very simply to the fact because she is in shed. So when she is out of shed, she will have a very pretty skin tone again, or scale tone, and she will also be gaining another bead on her rattle as well. So I'm not going to handle her too much again because she's in shed. I don't want to stress her out. I don't want to put the amount of stress on her by handling her too much right now. Now, these are snakes that I've been working with for quite some time, taming them down. You know, a lot of people say you cannot tame down a snake, but that is completely not true. You can. Now, this one right here is my beautiful Western Diamondback rattlesnake, and just like all Western Diamondback rattlesnakes, she is a bit antsy. Most Westerns are a bit antsy, but I love her. I've had her for quite some time now. She just wants to go back in the cage. Look at that. Pretty sweet, pretty simple. They're all done now, so I can close this up, and that's that. So there they are, the two females. This one right here is the Western Diamondback rattlesnake. The other one in the back corner is the female Basiliscus. The male's back there in his corner, happy as could be. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Short, sweet, simple, like most of mine. You know, hopefully I answered a lot of you guys' questions. A lot of you guys have been asking me about these cages. So now I have given you answers. I mean, again, I will put their website for these cages in the link below, so you guys can check them out if you want to buy them new. Again, they're rather expensive, but there you go. There's your answers. All right, guys, subscribe if you aren't already. Smash that like button if that is what you like to do. Hit your little bell notification so you guys can see when I post these videos that, again, I do for you guys. I don't do this for me. I don't do it for the money. I have a normal 9 to 5 job, putting myself in more danger than I put myself for you guys. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this. I will be posting more. Very bored this week because of stupid hurricane, so I'm just filming for you guys so you guys can enjoy it. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!